Hey guys, welcome back to another loadout video. Today I am going to tell you about my best HVK30 loadout. But before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Sim, your local weekly loadout video dude. I provide the best loadouts for you to help you in your future battles. Before we start the video, please read the description because I have announced something really important. Thanks for your concern. So on screen is the HVK loadout that I have made. Because the HVK has a really high fire rate, the 44 round mag makes it even better as it can kill a whole team with only one round of ammunition. But because of that, the ADS time really drops, so I slapped in the stippled grip tape so the ADS time increases by 5%. The HVK is really underrated, so I don't think a lot of people will use this, but if you are an HVK user, this is the best one yet. This could make the HVK the best assault rifle if COD Mobile decides to buff it a little, which most likely won't happen because of how strong it already is. But this is your only chance before it gets nerfed. The hip firing on this is not that bad out of any other assault rifles or submachine guns in the game, so for hip firing it's definitely a thumbs up. Speaking of thumbs up, I would really appreciate it if you guys could give this video a thumbs up, or maybe even subscribe. Make sure to comment what gun you want me to make a loadout of next. Anyways, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, enjoy.
Capture the objectives.